Hello, dear traders. The analytical community is in touch with you, Guru Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If you want, you can stop the video. You can take a closer look at all the indicators of the company being studied. We will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company ATRenew Inc ADR, ticker RERE. This review is based on data as of June 26, 2025. By classification, Guru Markets company ATRenew Inc belongs to the subcategory Retail Prom. 46 companies take part in the comparison. We will see the decisions made at the end of this video. The result for the company in question is 8 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.8 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire US market as a whole, we see that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 8 points, ATRenew Inc ADR. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price ATRenew Inc ADR and subcategory companies, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares ATRenew Inc ADR showed a dynamics of 42.8%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory, minus 3.2%. Market capitalization of the company ATRenew Inc valued at $0.42 billion. With a market capitalization of $285 billion, the subcategory is. The company's book value is estimated at $0.3 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $56 billion. Having compared the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share ATRenew Inc ADR in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.147%. Book value capitalization is 0.54%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization under analysis has debts of $0.03 billion. Debt to book value ratios represent 10% of the company's equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 23.9, with an average in the subcategory of 31.4. Market price to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $18 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $67 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.2. Average in subcategory 1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,400 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $4,160 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 0.7%, with an average of 3% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.199%, which is 35% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $201,000. And for the subcategory, $271,000. Assessment of the amount of company capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $8.4 thousand, with an average for the subcategory of $8.6 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The share of revenue per employee of the company is $1,145,000. In the subcategory, $283,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 0%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.6%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 72% for the company ATRenew Inc. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 59%. The actual valuation of the company's shares is approximately $3.20. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $5.02. Let's go to the order table. It is available for you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's securities ATRenew Inc ADR, information and reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Open trade on increase at price $3.19 per share. The order is open because the company has a high enough rating. The organization's assessment was carried out on the basis of the assessment criteria, the ATRenew Index. Take profit is set at 4.67. Stop loss is set at 1.71. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on July 26, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, DLTR, will become a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you very much to the audience for watching to the end and for using the information system from GURU.Markets.